Hey everyone, my name is Eric. I am the Marketing Manager at Total Roofing and Construction, and I've been working at Total Roofing and Construction for a little over 3 years now. I started back in March of 2022, right after I married my beautiful wife. A day in the life of the Marketing Manager at Total Roofing and Construction comes with several different challenges. I'm not out in the field as much as some of the sales guys are. I'm more based out of our home office in Cherville. And every day my goal is to just kind of come in and make sure that people know about Total Roofing and Construction, to make sure that people are aware that we are in our community so that when they have a problem, they feel comfortable calling us. I like to think of myself as kind of the lunch lady so I can feed the sales guys. I like to say that I'm feeding them the leads, right? But my whole goal is to make sure that we constantly have work for our guys to do, constantly have leads for our sales guys to look at, and make sure that you, the customer, are aware that we're here and ready to help. My favorite part about working at TRC is hands down the people I get to come in and work with every day. Our founder, Greg Cooper, really stresses the family element of Total Roofing and Construction, and it really feels like a family. This is a group of the most incredible people that I've ever gotten to work with. And I think probably a close second, or maybe like a 1B, is getting to work with all the incredible homeowners out there. I mean, getting to hear their stories and visit their homes, and that's just a rewarding part of the job in and of itself. Last year we moved to Cherville, Indiana as part of our long-term growth plan. What had me the most excited about when I originally joined TRC 3 years ago, I sat down with Phil and he pitched me a vision of growing into multiple states over multiple years. And that was the kind of challenge I was looking for in my career, and something that I thought I could use my skill set to help achieve. So definitely our growth plans to be able to help more people in more states is what gets me out of bed every day. Probably the thing I'm most proud of is since I've been here, we have been voted #1 in the Best of the Region competition each year in the categories that we participated in. So Best Roofer, Best Siding, Best Windows and Doors. And that is a really personal achievement to me. I kind of spearhead the advertising and the getting people to vote portion of that when it comes time to do that every year. And the customers and our friends and our family and homeowners show up for us in droves, and they've spoken pretty loud over the last couple of years that we're the #1 contractor in the area. So yeah, I'm really personally proud of that, just because of the standing that we appear to have in the community for only being here for a relatively short amount of time. Outside of work, I have a couple of hobbies. I kind of like to dabble in some content creation, some podcasting on the side, some stuff that I do with people. It's really cool that I've been able to roll some of the stuff I've learned doing that on the side into my current job, is considering that we're appearing on video more, we're doing more stuff like a podcast at work. So doing some of that content creation and learning those skills on the side has really benefited me in my career. It was something that I love to do anyways. So the fact that I'm able to have that passion and bring that to my job and do some things like that is really cool. Other than that, I don't have too much other time for hobbies. I have 2 pretty new babies in the house, so they take up most of the rest of my time. Yeah, I guess something unique about me is that I used to work security at Soldier Field for the Chicago Bears, so I was standing front row for all the Bears games for like 5, 6, 7 years. Any concerts that happened there, I got to see a lot of cool concerts, like First Row, Front Stage, U2, Bon Jovi, just a couple of the guys, Kenny Chesney, Tim McGraw. So that was a really cool experience that I got to work security during my college year. Closing thoughts, yes, Brett Edwards is awesome. He is handsome and beautiful, and we all love him. Yeah, getting to work here at Total Roofing has been one of the great experiences of my life. To meet all these incredible people, all the incredible homeowners that we've gotten the chance to work with. Absolutely incredible. Please just give us a call, come out and see why TRC is different than everybody else in the business.